Tesla update here on the 14th. So pretty much doing what was expected. If you watched the last video, 225 is the spot that I'm still looking at. If it can break above 225, then I think it's going back to 238. But until then, I still think it's a fourth wave. And then even more so with this, what happened today is we got an ABC move that made a new low, and then it went straight back up. This looks like a pretty much classic ABC move. Fourth wave. So potentially this. Down. It's a very corrective move, so I would expect an impulse down here sometime soon. Invalidation, or when I would say that I'm wrong about this, maybe if it gets above 225. But this setup is definitely bearish in my opinion. So Tesla is pretty much doing as expected. I would be looking down here at this gap fill at 202 still. So they probably hang it up here for the next, for the rest of the day, I would imagine, because this took, let's see, this took about a day. So maybe halfway through the day. So we're almost at the top here. And then I could see it chopping, or maybe it makes a small move down and bounces around here. So anyway, overall, bearish on Tesla right now. But I could change my mind if it gets above 225. So we'll see. Does not look good to me. And again, going back to the video I did on the weekend, this move took like basically a little bit less than 3 months. So I would expect this move to last into at least earnings. So I think we got another 9 days of bearishness potentially on Tesla and into earnings. And it's actually a good setup for earnings. Earnings can be the catalyst. If it gets down in here, earnings can be the catalyst for the move up to 300 plus. So same game plan as what I said over the weekend. I'm just looking to buy in this range right here. But again, it could come all the way down here to one. Where's my trend line at? Could come down all the way to 160 potentially, or down here to the low 180s, 175 into this support area right here. So you got to be very careful here. There is a slight possibility too that this is only a third wave and that this was some kind of truncated move up here. So I started it right here. But there's a possibility that this is actually a truncated move, where this is actually the start right here. And then this would be the third wave right here. So this would be third wave down to here. So it'd basically be like this. We'd bounce and come down lower. Either way, I'm still buying around in this area. So, because I think even if it comes down here and it's a third wave, it's going to bounce out of there. Maybe into earnings. And then maybe earnings bring it down here. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts on Tesla. Not really that much movement today. I still have some puts, sold some covered calls, expecting a move down here. So that's pretty much it for now. Let's see where this goes, and I'll update later.